One of the scariest things that can ever happen is have a blowout on the highway, and it is a mess. One of the things to do is to keep your foot on the gas, even accelerate a little bit until you get full control, and then start to feather back in the gas till you get to about 25 miles an hour and pull over safely. There are a number of proactive things that you can do to prevent a disaster. First of all, purchase a tire minder system. Doesn't matter which one you get, you just get one. And what it does is it monitors the pressure in your tires and the temperature in your tires as you're going down the road. And if there is a leak or you're losing pressure or the tires are getting too hot, you will then get a notification. And my advice to you is to pay attention to the notification. On the particular blowout that I had, I said, I think I have a bad sensor and I'm going to replace it when we get to the next exit. Well, I didn't get to the next exit and I had a blowout, and it caused a lot of problems. Once you get the vehicle under control, you can assess the damage. As you can see here, the tire is pretty much shredded. Not only is it shredded, but it caused a lot of damage underneath by severing some hoses for my hydraulics, and my slide was popped out a little bit, and that had to be taken care of, which I did very quickly. But as you can see, the hydraulic hoses were severed. We were fortunate that a Roadside Assistance showed up within about a half an hour, and they were well equipped, and they were able to have the proper tools and the tire to replace it. They were able to jack up the Motorcoach with their hydraulic jacks. With their other tools, they were able to remove all the lug nuts, and we assessed the damage, and we were very fortunate. So they replaced the tire. It worked out well, but it was a mess. One of the things that you should do is preventive maintenance, and that is make sure your tires are already properly inflated. Make sure that you inspect your tires regularly for any cracks or any uneven wear. Check the DOT code in the tire. They say tires should last 7 years, but I would say at about 5 years is about a good time to replace the tire. Replacing tires is very, very cheap, given the potential for damage that you'll have. So I immediately got 8 new Michelin tires. I had them mounted on, and I had a lot of great peace of mind. I hope this was helpful. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next video. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll get notified when the next video is posted. Thank you for watching.